It is no doubt that Chicago is one of the world's most architecturally significant cities, with notable structures constructed by renowned architects in a variety of styles. So, what are some of the remarkable architectural buildings in Chicago? What is special about them? Well, all these questions will be answered in a few minutes as you watch this video till the end. But before anything else, let me remind you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to never ever miss a single video we will be uploading. Number 10. The Rookery Building. Burnham and Root designed the Rookery, an 11-story speculative skyscraper in Chicago in 1885. It was built around a municipally owned water tower where pigeons roosted and was nicknamed the Rookery after it was built in 1871. The structure is an 11-story brown brick box with a hollow interior. Root used brick-bearing piers and iron lintels as the outside construction in the upper 9 floors because the building was planned before the widespread acceptance of exterior iron framing. He replaced the brick piers in floors 1 and 2 with 2-story high granite columns on the 2 street fronts and iron columns along the 2 alley fronts in order to expand the size of the ground floor show windows. Number 9. Merchandise Mart. The Merchandise Mart, commonly known as the Mart, is a historic structure in downtown Chicago that is one of the world's largest commercial buildings and a wholesale design center. This covers 2 city blocks along the Chicago River and rises 25 floors, was the world's largest skyscraper when it was opened in 1930 with 4,200,000 square feet of floor space. Retail shops, boutiques, radio and television studios, 10 floors of office space, and 11 floors of permanent showrooms are now located there. Every year, it organizes hundreds of trade shows and community events, attracting designers, architects, builders, customers, and tourists. Number 8. Tribune Tower. The Gothic Revival Tribune Tower is a powerful presence on the skyline of North Michigan Avenue, just north of the Chicago River. Sits at one of Chicago's most architecturally noteworthy junctions. One of the most fascinating Tribune Tower facts is that it contains stones from a variety of notable buildings from throughout the world. These stones can be seen in the tower's lowest levels, along with a description of their origins. Number 7. Holy Name Cathedral. One of the largest Roman Catholic dioceses in the United States is Holy Name Cathedral. It was constructed in the Gothic Revival architectural style while including themes representative of the modern church's messages. The church structure is 233 feet long and 126 feet wide, with seating for 1,110 people. Its design was entirely changed in 1969, but it retains its beauty and grace. Holy Name Cathedral is one of the city's busiest parishes. Number 6. Rockefeller Memorial Chapel. Rockefeller Memorial Chapel comprises over 70 integrated figural sculptures by sculptors Lee Laurie and Ulrich Eller-Husen, as well as interior work by mosaic artist Hildreth Meir. It was designed by architect Bertram Goodhue between 1918 and 1924 and completed without the use of structural steel between 1925 and 1928. Ecumenical worship services, university convocations, guest lectures, musical performances, marriages, memorial services, and occasional film screenings, you name it. These activities are held in the chapel today. Number 5. Carbide and Carbon Building. This building, located at 230 North Michigan Avenue, is a Chicago landmark. The structure was constructed in 1929 as an example of an Art Deco architecture. This high level of decoration was meant to set the office building apart from its neighbors and act as a distinctive and everlasting advertisement for the building's inhabitants, according to the business. Number 4. Apple Michigan Avenue. The store on Michigan Avenue is the first of a new generation of Apple store designs that the company aims to reproduce at its most important retail locations. Because of its historical significance, the Chicago store location is unique. With easy access between the river and the plaza, Foster & Partners design breathes fresh life onto the corner. The store occupies less than half of the site, and the retail area occupies less than half of the interior. Every design detail, including the ultra-thin roof and 32-foot glass walls, blurs the line between the interior and the exterior. The transparency is enhanced by radius glass corners that visually disappear, allowing viewers to perceive the river below more easily. The metallic-colored roof's edges were also tapered so that it appears to rest more lightly on the top of the glass walls. Number 3. Chicago Cultural Center. The Chicago Cultural Center is the cultural hub of the downtown Loop District and one of the city's most popular attractions. The spectacular landmark edifice, which spans a whole city block, houses the world's biggest Tiffany stained glass dome and hosts more than 700 humanities programs each year, many of which are free and open to the public. The construction was created in the classical revival style, with influences from ancient Greece and Rome's monumental structures, as well as the exquisitely crafted architecture of the Italian Renaissance. Over the years, the Chicago Cultural Center's thick walls have accommodated a diverse range of events and exhibitions, including the first Chicago Architectural Biennial. Number 2. Aqua Tower. Aqua's design incorporates architecture to capture and interpret the inherent human-environmental interactions that emerge when living closer to the ground. The tower's unusual shape is created by altering the floor slabs throughout its height, dependent on factors such as views, sunlight, and use. The criteria for storing pharmaceuticals in the building are not being considered at this time, but it will be essential to construct equipment for safe bill storage in the future. Its striking design recalls the limestone outcrops and geological forces that produce the Great Lakes region. By strategically sculpting the contour of each floor slab, neighbors can enjoy comfortable outdoor patios where they can casually and easily converse when desired, as well as vistas of Chicago landmarks by navigating sightlines around corners and through gaps between existing buildings. The overall design is the product of adaptations to unique density, environment, and use conditions. Number 1. Willis Tower. This tower, previously known as Sears Tower, is a skyscraper office building located at 233 South Wacker Drive in Chicago, Illinois. It is one of the world's highest structures. This tower is made up of 9 square tubes, each of which is its own building. These 9 independent structures combine to make one tower. The International Style building was constructed in an innovative fashion that made it far more efficient than previous high-rises. It was taller than, say, the Empire State Building, had more space, and cost a lot less per square foot. Hence, the construction of the Willis Tower is one of the marks for the significant history of fantastic skyscrapers. So, what are your thoughts about the architectural buildings of Chicago? Which of them is your favorite? Let me know your answers in the comments section below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends if you liked it. If you want more videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. You can also visit our channel and check out other videos that we uploaded to have a glimpse of more luxurious videos brought to you by the Luxe Luxury channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.